You guys remember this Jeep? The 2021 Jeep Wrangler Turbo. It's not back for the batteries. It's just back for an oil change. And what did I do? Oh, I missed the drain pan. Oh, I got a mess. Alright, let's get this thing done. Like on the oil filters, I always try to stay with OEM. So we got a Mopar. I always put the date and the mileage that I got it in. Not the mileage that needs another oil change, the mileage that it came in with. So I got that written on there. Let it dry up a little bit. I'm gonna fill it up a little bit because it sits sideways like that. And we'll stab it, fill it back up, get her out of here. What a mess. Done. Hey guys, it's Jason or Otter, whatever you want to call me, here at Oddballs, also known as J&J Automotive. I'm looking for some particular cars, and I got brakes for them. So I'm reaching out to anybody out there that has 1989 Chevy S10 two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, 1982 Celica, 1993 Honda Accord, believe. I think either Civic or Accord. If you guys are curious about how you can get these brakes for free, DM me and let's talk.